Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel alicenglish.com, your go-to destination for English language learning. I'm thrilled to have you here today, especially if you are just starting your English journey. In this video, we'll explore some effective ways to kickstart your English learning adventure. So let's get started. Number 1. Everyday phrases. Begin by learning everyday phrases, greetings, common expressions, and basic conversational phrases from a solid foundation for communication. Number 2. Learn the alphabet. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the English alphabet. This fundamental step lays the groundwork for reading and pronunciation. Number 3. Simple vocabulary. Start with simple vocabulary related to your interests, whether it's hobbies, food, or daily activities. Building a basic vocabulary helps in real life conversations. Number 4. Practice listening. Listen to English as much as possible. Watch cartoons, movies, or listen to music in English. This exposure improves your understanding of pronunciation and rhythm. Number 5. Use language learning apps. Explore language learning apps tailored for beginners. Apps like Duolingo or BBC Learning English offer interactive lessons to make learning enjoyable. And there you have it. A quick guide to jumpstart your English learning journey. Remember, consistency is the key. Dedicate a few minutes each day to practice and you will see progress. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more language learning insights. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.